we doing the third draft?
What are you doing, Knowles?
She's still sleepy. She's still sleepy.
It's 5:30 a.m. We both have pretty decently big days today. Jenna has a big shoot, and then I've got a few cars in. We've also got to keep going on the drift car today. Bit of an early one this morning.
She doesn't normally get up till 6, and it's only 5:59. Oh.
It looks like an ass.
You're just gonna overfill my coffee to a point that I can't drink it. Don't milk my coffee. You little shit.
Look how full that is. How the hell am I supposed to pick that up?
Daily dilemma. Do you ever like look at your entire fridge and it's like, I got nothing? The side eye, did you guys see that? She full side eyed me.
Did you do a shit?
Come. Sneaks. Who sneaks? Oh shit! That's not sneaks. That's a tax.
I just said,
I think she's hungry. Niles, are you hungry?
do you have breakfast?
Stop filming me and give me my food. Okay, so first things first this morning, we have a service straight away, as soon as we get into work. And then we really need to start making headway on rebuilding Sabrina, my old drift car. Things proving to be a lot more work than I thought it would be. Yeah, it's just a lot. Definitely do some stuff to the MX-5 today as well. Then excitingly tonight, if you didn't notice about me, I'm a massive NRL fan, so tonight, this weekend is the Magic Round, which means like every team plays at the same place all over the weekend. So it's just all out carnage this weekend, so it's gonna be good. And tonight is the Broncos, which is my team. So your boy's gonna be glued to the screen tonight, I'll tell you that much. Okay, well, it's currently 9:10, and we have a customer dropping off a car at 7, and the workshop's half an hour away, so we gotta go. I just realized it's 6 a.m. If I turn my car on, I will wake up approximately 100 people, so you're not getting some cool my car drive out of my driveway scene this morning, guys. We have no fuel. Driving to work every day in my dream car, good luck dampening my mood. Personally, I'm a massive morning person. Like, I love sleeping in and I love not waking up at 6 a.m. to an alarm, but seeing the sunrise and like just feeling really like motivated and like I'm gonna get a lot done in the day trumps sleeping in for me every time. Every time. And if you guys are like maybe in a slump and you just can't get up and you always feel tired and all that, dude, maybe just try it. Set your alarm half an hour earlier than you normally wake up every day and start getting up earlier, because it is life-changing waking up early. And plus, imagine the amount of population that would get up at 7 every morning. So if you get up at 6, like just 1 hour earlier, that's an extra 7 hours like alive and awake than you get than the general pop. It's an extra 7 hours a week you get to put into something you love doing or your passion or your side hustle or whatever, or if you wake up at 5, dude, that's an extra 14 hours a week that you get. That means you're ahead of the masses. It's a no-brainer. Right now, 98 is $2.04. $2.04 isn't that bad, but it's pretty much the norm here now in Australia. $2 for premium fuel. You will not get under that, so. This thing is just gorgeous. Just look at it. I'm not sure I'll ever get over this car. I just love the way it sounds. Like, I can't even imagine when it's boosted and built and it's just got that turbo whistle, man. It's gonna be so sick. Why is one window always freaking slower than the other? I don't understand. Dude, I freaking love winter. Summer can get lost. Okay, first things first, we've got the BT50 in this morning, which we have to service. We're gonna get that underway before we can get onto any cool stuff. I know, heartbreaking, but we gotta do what we gotta do. So first things first, we've actually gotta get the job card printed out for this car. Hopefully it wants to print straight away because sometimes my printer just hates its life. Look at that. Oh, wow, that was a tease. Okay, the BT50 is here. We're just gonna get a service done on it. Now, silly me forgot that these things take like 10 liters of oil, and your boy only bought 5, so. The oil filters in these cars suck. Look, where is it? It's all the way down there. I don't know if you can see it, but it sucks. So we're just gonna get this service done, and then we can move straight on to some cool stuff. Now we can actually start getting into the fun stuff. Pretty much like the roadmap of my brain right now is I've got to get this car done because I need to sell it. It needs to go. So it's got a long list of stuff that it needs doing. The whole car needs to be sanded. The wheels need new tires. We need to get this all brim and proper and running and driving and yeah, so right now there are a few complications stopping it from running and driving. One being that the intake manifold adapter that I've used to adapt the 1.8 manifold to the 1.6 throttle body is actually bent and it's causing a massive vacuum leak. And so when the car starts, I'll actually show you guys. Okay, so that has a massive vacuum leak. I'm suspecting manifold plus throttle body as well. So we need to actually go get a new one of those adapters, which a company local around me kind of makes. So I'm just waiting on a call back from them to see whether they have any in stock. We'll have to go get it and then actually fit it, and then hopefully it fixes all our issues. Oh God, but right now I've got to do some paperwork to tie up all this BT50 and get it out. Next Wednesday, I'm actually doing a morning session drift at Queensland Raceway. We're doing a little interview and a little track day with Ruby. So that should be sick. Nothing really to change. I'm gonna change the alignment a little bit so that I'm towed in a bit. Because right now I'm like a tiny bit towed out, which is not what we want. So we're gonna tow that in a little bit. But really the main focus is on the problem child behind me, Sabrina. But we've just had our car builder's tape come in. It's fleece tape. And this is what we use to wrap looms.
Thanks for calling Repco.
Hey mate, it's Kyle from Built by Kyle. How you going? I'm just calling up to see if you guys have any solder. I've just put it on mute. Apparently they don't have any solder whatsoever. All good. I appreciate you looking. Thanks mate. If you said to me, Kyle, what's the worst part about working by yourself? Pushing dead cars around by yourself sucks. Yeah. Real job number one is to now go get some solder so that I can actually properly connect this crummy wire. It must just have that much of a vac leak that there's just too much air for the ECU to read and then adjust fuel. Okay, so I need to go get some solder, some wire, and that manifold adapter. And I can't really be bothered driving there, so I might just go, Matt, here it is. We've got a few different bits of wire and a bit of solder. So now we can actually join these bloody wires and we can get somewhere, because that's where I like going, somewhere. So this is how I do all my wiring. I get obviously the black for the earth, I do the red for the positive, and then I do green for signal. That's just how I personally extend wires. You can do it a million different ways, but this is how I do it. So you can really tell the difference on camera, but the fleece tape is so much nicer, and it actually withstands like engine bay heat. So it's definitely the way to go. Oh, look who decided to show up.
I'm here.
Here he is.
I'm editing.
Mr. Japan.
Mr. Japan.
Making his own YouTube channel. Yeah. So, update on this. Everything's actually going pretty well. As you can see, it's like much tidier, and there's actually stuff buttoned up. There's clamps done up, bolts done up, whatever. So it's actually looking pretty good. It's coming along. Progress is slow, you know. But then we're gonna move on to the next part of the day. This I can't just do and just keep doing every single day. So I actually have other shit to do. So I'm probably gonna go do that now.
Yeah, fucking do it, bro.
I'm gonna do you.
I don't like where I'm laying right now. Can we swap at least?
Just a friendly reminder, if you haven't seen already, t-shirts are currently $30 on the website. We've got the Ruby design and we've got the drift car design. I just rocked up to my local coffee shop. There's like 1 million people here and I don't know why. I've never seen more than like 2 people here, so I've never not been able to get a park, and I'm parked on the road, so I think I might just leave the camera here for a sec, so we might do a little bit of movie magic. So yeah, well, a little bit of movie magic for you. I'm pretty sure that was like the most terrible transition I probably have ever done, because I didn't frame it at all or anything, but it's already half drunk because on the way out of the coffee shop I got a phone call from the missus, so I nearly forgot to do the transition. I was close to forgetting. Iced coffee is literally so good. I hope you enjoyed that little shot that I just showed you there, because that was cool. Come here. What are you doing, Knowles? She says, come upstairs. Okay. We're just currently sitting on 2:11 and it is time to start some editing for the day. So, most days I'll pretty much go to the workshop, get all I have to do done, and if there isn't like a pressing project that I really am motivated to do, then I'll normally just come home, edit some content, and yeah, chill out, relax, unwind. Alrighty, so that is enough editing for now. Hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. This is something so like left field of what I would normally do. I'm trying a few different things and trying to find kind of like the real rhythm of how I want to be doing YouTube and the future of the videos. So it's 4:20. Now we got to go to the butcher, grab some food, and then we're gonna head off to my brother's house to catch the NRL game. So should be a pretty decent game. So this is the fit we're rocking. We've got the ankle cut jeans, and we've got this little State of Origin koala shirt. Gotta keep it fresh. What are you doing? Well, what if I've already been there? Got my talk. It's pretty on the piss. And you get good girl. What's up, bruh? What's up, bro? Welcome back. Hey. Hello. Oh shit. Fucking. Yep. All right. Oh.
Busy.
Just B-roll, mate. I had some help. Yeah, that's fine. It's all started. All right, we've got one player on debut. We've got one of our star players out. You are annoying. Whoop.
Is this the new guy?
No, that's not the new guy. That's not the guy on debut. You've literally been jumping over the couch for the last 2 hours. So, the Broncos ended up winning by 1, which means I am a very happy man. The wife is already in bed, and I'm getting really sleepy. So, we're gonna wind down the vlog there, guys. No, come on, let's go. Watch, she will not come. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go to bed. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It's a little bit different for me, and it's been pretty wild filming like pretty much everything I've done today. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out, and if you did make it to the end, make sure you drop a comment down below letting me know. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.